Did you know over 80% of Japanese buildings look like they're made from Lego? No, it's not a toy obsession, it's pure survival. Japan is hit by hundreds of earthquakes every year. So, architects design buildings in a modular blocky style, just like Lego. These blocks can move and flex, making them safer when the ground shakes. Plus, Japan's strict building codes mean older buildings are often rebuilt, so everything feels fresh and boxy. Next time you see a Lego-like cityscape in Japan, remember, it's not just style, it's smart engineering. Would you want to live in a real-life Lego city? Let us know.